last video we have seen the sum of n terms of special series. Okay, so today we'll do some problems based on some special series. Okay, so the first question that we're going to do is we have to find out the sum to n terms of the series, and the series given is 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 29 plus 41, okay, so on. Okay, so just let Sn is the sum of this one. So second last number will be a n minus 1, and the last number is a n. Okay, so now we have to subtract Sn, but we'll not subtract 5 from 5. We'll subtract 5 from 11 from second term. Okay, so 5, 11, 19, 29 and so on. So here there will be a n minus 2 and then a n minus 1 and then a n. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to subtract this one. So subtract this one, this one, this one. Okay, so what value will be getting? This side 0 and 5 as it is will write here, and 11 minus 5 will be 6 plus here 8, then 10, then 12 and so on. Okay, see, there are total n numbers, and in the second Sn what we are doing here, from here we have started from the second term. Okay, we are subtracting the first term from second term, so this will be extended to n plus 1 terms. Okay, so this n minus 1 this a n minus 1 will be subtracted from nth term of the first wala Sn. Okay, so what we'll do now, so it will be total, these numbers will be till n plus 1, n minus 1 terms will be there, n minus 1 terms. Okay, and minus a n is also there. So what will the value? Now what we'll do, we'll put a n this side, we'll bring this side a n. So 5 plus, these are the n minus 1 terms. Now we'll find out the sum of n terms of n minus 1 terms of AP. Okay, because you can see clearly the difference is 2. Okay, so sum of n terms is n upon 2. So here n minus 1 terms are there, so n minus 1 upon 2, and 2 into a is the first term, that is 6, and plus n minus 1. So here n minus 1 terms are there, so n minus 2 will write, into d. What is the difference? Difference is 2, will write here. Okay, so what value we will be getting for a n? 5 plus n minus 1 upon 2. Okay, and for this one we'll be getting 12 plus 2n minus 4. Okay, now 5 plus n minus 1 upon 2, and this, from this one we can take 12 minus 4 will be 8, right? And 8 plus 2n, so we'll write here 8 plus 2n, or we can directly, what we can do, we can take 2 common. Okay, so directly we can take 2 common, this will be 4 and this will be n, and 2 we have taken common, so we can cancel this 2. So what value we are getting? 5 plus n minus 1 and n plus 4. Okay, so a n ka value will be n square plus n square minus n plus 4n minus 4 and plus 5. So the final value of a n will be n square plus 3n plus 1. Okay. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Okay, no, in this one what we have to do? Yeah, this one, this much only. So this was the value of a n, right? Here we have to find out Sn. So Sn will be summation of, can we write k is equal to 1 to n, and k square plus 3k plus 1. Okay, so this was the value of an. Now we have to find out the value of Sn. So this summation will be, we can write k is equal to 1 to n k square plus summation of k is equal to 1 to n 3k plus summation of k is equal, okay, summation of k times n will be equal to n. We can write directly n. Okay, now we know the square, k square के लिए क्या formula होता है? So it will be k into k plus 1. Sorry, we can directly put n का value ना. So यहाँ पे n square or n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This is the value of sum of n terms. Okay, sum of n terms जो है, I mean square of sum of n terms. This is the value. Now next is 3 into k का summation. So that will be 3 we can take common, and k मतलब summation of k, it means sum of n, I mean k terms. So n numbers 1 to n है k का value, so we can write n into n plus 1 is divided by 2. Okay, and plus n as it is, will write. So what value we are getting? Now what we can do, we can directly solve this one. This is okay, as n plus 1 2n plus 1. Now for this one we'll multiply the numerator and denominator of this one, okay, by 3. So what value will be getting? We'll be getting 9n into n plus 1 divided and plus n into 6n divided by 6. Can we write like this directly? So what is the value of Sn? So Sn का value हो जाएगा, now we'll solve this one, simplify करेंगे हम, and n upon, okay, bracket n into n plus 1 n into n plus 1. okay, हमने common ले लिया, तो what we are getting 2n plus 1 plus 9n. okay, these two में, इन दोनों में n into n plus 1 है, तो and all three are having n, so n we have taken common, and from these two we are taking n plus 1 also common. okay, so we'll write here n, okay, and plus 6 divided by 6. okay, so what value? Now we'll simplify this, and we'll be getting n into n plus 1 into, this will be 2n, actually 2n plus n 9n, sorry, n we have taken common, so 2n plus 10. So 2 we can take common, हम 2 common ले लेंगे, and into, it will be n plus 5 plus 2 into 3 we can write. Now 2 we can take common, so n into 2n we can take common. So what value we are getting? We'll be getting n square plus 5n plus n plus 5 and plus 3, ठीक है, divided by 6. 6 को we can write 2 into 3, 2 cancel कर देंगे, and so for Sn what value we are getting? n square n into n square plus 5n plus 1 6n plus 8, okay, divided by 3. So we can write n into n plus 2, or we can break this, and we can break this n square plus 4n plus 2n plus 8, okay, divided by 3. So Sn will be equal to, when we'll take common n into n common लेंगे तो n plus 4, and now we'll take 2 common, तो n plus 4, okay, divided by 3. So we'll get n into n plus 2 into n plus 4 divided by 3. So this will be the value of Sn, sum of n terms. Okay, one more question we'll do based on this one. So the question is, find the sum of n terms. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find out the sum of n terms, and the terms given of series. Actually, nth term is given by n into, so nth term an is given by n into n plus 3. Okay, this way it's given. So we have to find out the value of Sn. So summation of n, Sn will be, can you find out, Sn will be an ka summation, right? Okay, so now we'll write k is equal to 1 to n k into k plus 3. So k into k plus 3 ko we can directly write k square plus 3k. Okay, so we'll write here k square plus 3k. Now we can write summation of k is equal to 1 to n and k square plus summation of k is equal to 1 to n 3k. ठीक है, then Sn का value will be equal to, first of all we'll find out this, इसका value क्या होता है, I mean square of n terms will be equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, right, divided by 6. Okay, and plus 3k, so k is the first, I mean n terms k summation will be equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. अब हम क्या करेंगे, both you can see n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and divided by 2 यहाँ से हम common ले सकते हैं. So what we can do, we can find out the value, we can write here n into n plus 1 divided by 2, we have taken common, so what value we are getting, 2n plus 1 divided by 3 and plus 3. Okay, so now we'll simplify this, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 and 2n plus 1 plus 9 divided by 3. Okay, so now what value we'll be getting, we'll be getting n into n plus 1 divided by 2, 2n plus 10 divided by 3. Now we'll take 2 common, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now here we'll take 2 common and we'll write here n plus 5 divided by 3. So 2 cancel. So Sn के लिए what value we are getting, n into n plus 1 into n plus 5 divided by 3. So this will be the value of Sn. Okay, so now we'll move to the next exercise, that is exercise 9.4. So we'll start exercise in our next video. Okay, I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.